Good morning, Christ King, B King and Tux, and everybody else. Made this video for you guys to show you on that Bronco I told you that we've been working on, me and T-Purge. As T-Purge is trying to handle the aftermarket fiberglass door for the hardtop and try to make mechanism work that obviously wasn't designed for a replica of the original hardtop. But here we are creating stuff. There's the top. There's the walls. That's the dash we redid. This had a huge hole cut out of it for aftermarket deck. Put it back to a factory deck setting. There's Mr. T-Purge. Trying to invent here. This kit is for a steel door, not for an aftermarket wannabe door. This is the Bronco itself. T-Purge made this front roll pan here because somebody before us put a body lift kit on it. T-Purge did this. Looks like it belongs there. And also, on the rear of the vehicle, that whole thing right there, T-Purge made all that. Made it look like it came with a truck, because without that and the body lift kit that it has on there, it looks hideous. But the truck has been, obviously you see we've had it completely apart, top to bottom. Everything out. When I mean everything, I mean everything. You see how we already had done the frame, and it's all taped up so no overspray gets on it. And I want to show you one last other thing. Here's 1,000 horsepower Duramax 6.6 that me and T-Purge built. Just wanted to show you guys. Y'all have a good day, and hopefully we can, you and your therapy and all that. Hopefully one day you don't need it anymore. Mondo signing out.